Of this winter so far, and just like Rita said, there is some snow in our forecast as well. A very hard and widespread frost to come tonight. It will stay chilly for the next few days across the UK, and I think there is some significant snow to come, particularly through tomorrow. This is a gorgeous picture from our weather watcher in the Highlands this afternoon. The birds are very well fed here. We could be topping up with another 10 centimetres of snow across parts of the Highlands before Thursday is out. Just a few isolated snow showers though for northern Scotland this afternoon. Actually, more sunshine for much of the UK than we have seen in quite a while out there at the moment. A few showers down the North Sea coasts. Those towards the west across Wales and Northern Ireland, though, dying out now. There is definitely a chill, though, with the northwesterly breeze, but the breeze falls light through the evening. The skies are clear and then the temperatures will fall away. You'll notice a bit more cloud, though, pushing towards Northern Ireland and the wind starting to kick up here. So by the end of the night, perhaps just -1 here, -10, though, in some of the sheltered glens of Scotland, -5 or -6 in some rural areas of England and Wales. And then we have the problem of very cold air sitting across the UK and a weather front approaching. Put two and two together, you get snow, and that is what we'll be concerning ourselves with as we see these fronts working their way, particularly across the northern half of the UK on Thursday. There's a little bit of warmer air mixed in with that system, but it's quite a small area of warm air, so essentially we won't see our temperatures kicking up too much before we transition back into colder conditions, leaving us with the threat of quite a lot of snow accumulating across the Highlands of Scotland, the southern uplands and the Pennines, but also across lower ground as well. Wet further south, gusty winds as the weather front goes through. We could have blizzard conditions in some areas for a time. It gets brighter to the west later on in the day, but still some showers being shuttled in. But it's cold, just 3 degrees there in Aberdeen, and it will feel colder in the wind. We continue with a chilly northwesterly wind into Friday. A frost to start the day across the northern half of the UK, a risk of ice. Some more wintry showers for northern and western Scotland, for Northern Ireland, perhaps a few getting down into the Midlands. Still looking quite chilly for Friday as well. So I think a notable change for the beginning of the weekend as we look to the Atlantic and this frontal system, because there's a larger chunk of warm air wrapped up in this one, and that will bolster our temperatures for Saturday back into double figures, but quite a grey and wet day. And then Sunday, perhaps our quietest and brightest day of the few ahead after the sunshine of today. Rita.